Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make front loops only single crochets. So let's get right into it. When you have a normal pattern, you'll be asked to make a single crochets in the both loops of the stitch. But since we want only the front loops, you need to do that. Again, here is only the front loop. I have a video on how to make the back loops, but in this case we want only the front loops of the stitch, as you can see it here. Yarn over as usual, pull through, yarn over and pull through both two loops. Again, here is the front loop of the stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all two loops. Again, here it is. Instead of that, we make this. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both two loops. And this is it. If you have any questions, please place them in the comments down below.